we study about quadratic equation. We know first what is quadratic equation. Here three equation given on your screen. We know first what is higher degree. Here equation A has higher degree 1, equation B has higher degree 2, and equation C has higher degree 3. Equation A has higher degree 1, so we can say it is linear equation. In equation B, higher degree is 2, so we can say it is quadratic equation. And in equation C has higher degree 3, so we can say it is cubic equation. We can see higher degree is 3, so this is a cubic equation. This it has higher degree 2, it is quadratic equation. It has higher degree 3, it is cubic equation. It has higher degree 1, so it is linear equation. Okay, next, determinant is denoted by D, capital D. If a equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, here determinant is found by putting b square minus 4ac. It is very important for your upcoming SAT and ACT examination. Next, you can find determinant of the given equation. In equation A, we can see it is A, it is B, and it is C. What is discriminant? D equal to b square minus 4ac. Here b is 5 square minus 4 times 2 times 3. Here 5 square is 25 minus it is 24. Answer is 1. In this, D equal to b square minus 4ac. Here it is A, it is B, and it is C. B square means 6 square minus 4 into 3 into 4, and it is 36 minus 48, and it is negative of 12. In this equation, it is A, it is B, it is C, and D equal to b square minus 4ac. Here b square is 4 square and minus 4 times 2 times 2. It is 16. It is also 16. 0. It is 0. We can know it is equation is greater than 0. D of second equation is less than 0, and D of third equation is equal to 0. What is the meaning of 0? First, D is greater than 0. In this case, equation has two unique solutions. And graph if equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then if a is greater than 0, then your graph is like that, and here the 2x intercept, and it is your solution of this quadratic equation. If a is negative, then your graph is like that, and here 2 intercept is the solution of this quadratic equation. D equal to 0, then equation have two equal solution. What is graph? If equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then if a is greater than 0, then graph of this case is like that. The parabola is touches x-axis, and it is a point where two equal solution exist. And if a is less than 0, then your graph is like that parabola which is touching x-axis like that, and it has two equal solutions. Last case, if D is less than 0, then it has no solution, and we can say it has complex solution. What is graph? If your equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then you can find that here no one can solution, means no solution, and your graph is don't touch the x-axis. it is when a is positive, but when a is negative, then you can see your graph is like that. Next, and first, here it is a, it is b, and it is c. We can first find discriminant. What is discriminant? b square minus 4ac. 6 square minus 4 times 2 times 4, and it is 36 minus 32. It is 4, means d is greater than 0. So we can say that it has exactly 2 and unique solution. Okay, in this d equal to b square minus 4ac. Here it is a, it is b, and it is c. What is b? b is 3 square minus 4, a is 4, and c is 1. It is 9 minus 16, and it is negative of 7. And d is less than, means it has no solution. No solution. Next, in equation third, we can find discriminant b square minus 4ac. 4ac. Here it is a, it is b, it is c. b is 4 square minus 4 times 1 times 4, and it is 16 equal to 16, means 16 minus 16, it is 0. So it has 2 but equal solution. Okay, equation have at least 2 solutions, but how can find each solution? So we can see here the equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So first solution is minus b plus root d upon 2a, and second is minus b minus root d upon 2a. Next, plus c equal to 0, and let a and b are the solution of this equation. So sum of solution a plus b is equal to negative of b upon a, and if product of solution a into b, then it is c over a, negative of b over a, negative, and c over a. Here negative, here negative. If you not know formula, then you find first 2 root and then add up, and it is very lengthy, time consuming method. So we can know sum of intercept. Here let a and b are the solution of equation, and the sum of intercept is negative of b over a. What is b? It is a, it is b, it is c, means negative of 5 on 9. It is answer. In equation b, a plus b is, let the a plus b are 2 roots of this equation. Here it is a, it is b, it is c, and it is equal to negative of b over a. Here we can see minus negative of 7 on over a, means 6, and it is plus 7 over 6, and it is answer. Okay, next, and then multiply them, and this is time consuming method. So we can know the formula. It is a, it is b, and it is c. We can assume a and b is, we can assume a and b is the 2 root of this equation, and this is equal to c over a. What is c? C is 7 over 2. In this equation we also assume a and b are 2 roots, and the product of roots is a, b, c. C over a means negative of 5 over a is 3. It is answer. Okay. If you love this session, then like the session, subscribe this YouTube channel, and share my video. If you have any doubt related to quadratic equation or this session, then ask me